Okay, so it is dark in this part of the shed because one of my lights gone, but so we're going to have to make the best of what I can do with the light. So you can see the Laurel here behind me. Hello, puppy. Hey, this is Bella. Say hello. Hey, pup. Bella loves a lot of attention, like every woman. And don't you, puppy? Huh? Oh, who's a pretty girl? Hello. Bella likes to rob my tools when I'm working on the car. If you leave them down on the ground, she'll pick them up and just walk off and create a little pile in the corner. Yes, puppy. Yes. Yes. Ah. Ah. Mad dog. So, what I want to try and... Oh, now you want a belly rub. So, I'll rub her to keep her preoccupied on doing this. Really sorry about the lighting, guys. Give it a coat. Oh, there we go. Right. With the arches on the car, I'm going to give it a clean down, and I'm going to Schultz the hole underneath of it, or sorry, stone chip Schultz, same thing, just to make sure that it is protected. I just don't want to have a risk of any rust or anything like that building up over time. I just want it to be right. You know what I mean? Oh, the wife was out, and there's a bit of graffiti on the car from all the dust. So what have we got? We have ammo. And we have Princess is the best. Well, you know, she'd definitely be the best if she came out and gave me a hand with this thing. So yeah, look, haven't really got much done with this at all. I have the other Laurel that is outside in the yard. I want to start taking bits off it, bolting it into the engine bay. I want to give them a clean up before they go into it, because there's no point in putting dirty parts into the car. The subframe is going to be the next thing I'm going to be putting back into the car after I have both of the front arches treated and under sealed, and once they're done, subframe is going to get a little lick of paint just to make sure it is nice and tidy. I have a few little bits of bodywork that I want to do to the car before it goes for paint. I don't know whether I should throw the interior into the car first and then paint it as the very last thing that I have to do to the engine, or sorry, to the car. I'll just cross that bridge when I come to it. Kind of really just want to get the thing running and have the paint as the last thing that I want to do. And the part in this car that I have had so many people asking me about is the spoiler that I have on the boot lid. It is genuine Nissan one from the factory. It is really cool. It is not for sale. So I appreciate all the comments and the questions, but no, that is staying. That is not going anywhere. Yeah. Now don't say anything incriminating now, Donnie.
Link the whole track. Oh shit, Joe's recording. And he's gone in. See Joe, he's seen your camera.
He's seen your camera, Joe. He's on.
Look at the big poo you did. She wouldn't even say thanks. I've got serious lack of window here as well. I have to try and figure out how to get these off, because the clips normally you go in from the side here, but because all the glass is broken, it's probably going to be easier to get to them. But I just want to make sure that when I am taking them off, that it is going to be done properly and I'm not going to absolutely wreck it. Right, the whole interior of the car is stripped. Like, it is stripped, but now it's become like a storehouse for all the other bits. So all of them need to come out and just do a little tidy on the inside if it is needed. My beautiful SSR Gartmeyer for my for my 831 Zafiro. Seth is going to be another one of those things that I don't know what I'm ever going to get done. But sure, like, look, all these things will happen eventually, do you know?
video.
So I am really appreciating all the comments that you're leaving and gaining a few subscribers as well. So obviously I'm doing something right that you're liking what I'm doing. Really have to do a bit of a tidy up around here because it's getting to the point where like it's stressful to come out here to look for stuff because I'm falling about the place. So I'll chat to you soon for the next video. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit me up with any comments, suggestions, what do you think I'm doing right, what do you think I'm doing wrong. And I will chat to you all soon.